right, guys, 2023 is kicking off this morning. It's 4 a.m. We're heading to Rhode Island. I was planning on going to New Hampshire, but we're going to Rhode Island, and we are going to be hunting with a good friend of mine named Justin. It's his first year hunting, and really, he's put in so much work this year, and we've learned from each other. You know, I've only been hunting for 4 or 5 years. He's a first-year hunter. We've learned so much between each other. And let me make that clear. I am not better than anybody. I am not telling people how to hunt. I just do what works for me, and I just love hunting. I love the game of chess with these deer, you know, and working hard, just like all of you guys. So, you know, don't get that twisted. Don't think I'm trying to one-up anybody or be the best and such and such and such and such. I'm just getting in the stand and having fun, and I love doing it. So we're going to Rhode Island. We're going to hit a piece of public. We already got stands out there. Justin has scouted that land pretty hard. I've gone out there a few times with him as well, but whew, it is here. Archery season, September 15th. We're almost there. Justin, I'm sorry I had to stop to do this interview really quick, but I'm going to be there, brother. All right, we got here in plenty of time. It is 4:23. There's our guy, Justin. I got to put on my pants here. What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy?
Say hi to everybody.
What's going on, man?
What's up, everybody? First day hunting, huh?
Yeah, dude, that's it. I'm pumped.
You excited?
Ready to go.
All right, I should probably go put on my pants, huh? All right, guys, we're all geared up here. We have a north wind today, which is perfect. Man, it has been an awful summer, okay? We've been in the 90s, humidity, rain, pretty much all summer. Today it is in the low 50s right now for opening day. It is dry. There is no rain in the forecast. We have supposedly we have a hurricane coming in the next 4 days. So I think these deer are going to be up on their feet. Justin's been getting trail cam pictures all night and whatnot. So they're out here, and that north wind's going to be perfect for both of our sets, going back to bedding and whatnot. So I'm going to be sitting over gas line, and we're going to get to it. We'll see you guys up in the stand. We have a deer to our left right now. That's tough. That was a nice buck right there. Good public land buck. He went right back to bedding right there. Exactly what I thought he was going to do. He just crossed his gas line about 60 yards to my left. No shot.
here.